Imagine conjuring a masterpiece from thin air. Zero sketching, zero Photoshop, just an idea turning into a hyper-realistic image in seconds. So you log into Midjourney for the first time, click the prompt bar, and type in a simple idea, a cute golden retriever on a beach. But this is what you get. This comparison shows a stunning cinematic portrait on the left, next to the actual result of that basic prompt on the right, a flat, generic, low-quality dog. Right here is where the vast majority of new users close the browser and walk away, assuming they just lack the artistic eye. Treating an AI image generator like a magical vending machine, dropping in a few words and expecting immediate perfection, guarantees a frustrating result. Midjourney is a collaborator, not a mind reader. It requires a specific, iterative process to produce polished, high-fidelity results. The only difference between that initial flat image and a professional AI artist's portfolio is a structured workflow of continuous refinement. Mastering this tool means learning how to translate human ideas into a language that AI understands, and then sculpting those results until they match your vision, rather than clicking generate once and hoping for the best. To control the output and stop the AI from guessing, you need a blueprint. This equation breaks down the core structure. Subject plus style plus lighting plus background plus camera. Let's plug in our failed dog prompt. We assign the variables, a fluffy golden retriever with reflective sunglasses in cinematic lighting on a tropical beach at sunset. The resulting image is heavily detailed and realistic. By providing these exact parameters, the AI has exactly what it needs to construct a high-fidelity scene. A structured prompt acts as a precise architectural blueprint. It replaces random visual guesswork with intentional design constraints. Reaching the upper tiers of quality requires shifting the words you use. Instead of listing physical objects, you need to describe feelings and atmospheres. This split screen shows the result for a city street on the left. On the right, we asked for a rainy cyberpunk street glowing with colorful neon reflections after midnight. The mood-driven description gives the AI a distinct atmosphere to render. The next step is translating your human vision into the technical camera and lighting modifiers the software natively understands. Terms like 85mm lens tell the AI to compress the background and simulate a shallow depth of field, keeping the focus entirely on the subject. Similarly, commands for golden hour or volumetric light instruct the engine to cast long, warm shadows and define the visible path of light through the air. However, you must keep your instructions focused. If you ask for daytime, neon, sunset, and snow all in the same prompt, the rendering engine gets confused and produces a chaotic mess. Midjourney processes technical photography terms and emotional descriptions much more accurately than it interprets a simple list of object labels. Even with a perfectly constructed, vocabulary-rich prompt, your very first generation is only ever a rough draft. This flowchart outlines the professional creation loop: idea, prompt, generate, refine, and final image. Professionals use this continuous loop to isolate the best elements and regenerate flaws. They upscale their favorite version and loop back through the prompt stage multiple times. During these iterations, they also finalize formatting, locking in the correct aspect ratio, like portrait or landscape, so the image is properly sized for its final platform. True artistic control is achieved through this iterative software loop, rather than hoping for a lucky strike on the initial text entry. Let's look at the result of surviving that workflow loop. A hyper-realistic, fully detailed portrait of a golden retriever on a tropical beach at sunset. This split screen compares the flat, generic image from our very first attempt directly against the polished, iterated result. The value of the process speaks for itself. Anyone can bypass traditional design bottlenecks if they adopt this process of prompting, refining, and upscaling. So, what specific style of imagery do you want to tackle first? Try realistic photography, or vibrant anime, or fantasy art? Open up Midjourney and start your own iterative loop today. High-quality output is rarely the result of a single perfect sentence, but the product of an ongoing dialogue with the software.